Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome all. In India, we say namaste. So I'm from India, New Delhi. I'm Dr. Meghna Gupta, and I'm going to be speaking about a device which delivers microneedling along with radio frequency. You can switch on, switch off, you can customize, and I'm very happy with this device, and I'm here to share my experience with all of you. So this is the RF Need system, which is a multifunctional platform. What it does? It has micro-pricking, it has a needling system, it can do dermocorrective, it can take care of pigmentations, trichopigmentation, and even lip filler correction. We all do aesthetics, we all do a lot of lip fillers. Sometimes we need these kind of devices to give a complete aesthetic look to the lips. What does this device do? It is cell regeneration, production of new collagen, we call it neocollagogenesis, production of new elastin, skin tightening, recompacting of adipose tissue, oxygenation of the microcirculation, and tissue toning. How does it work? This system, thanks to a computer using touchscreen, the technology and a window menu that you can easily navigate, and it's very easy. There are various preset programs. Certain programs you can use yourself as a doctor, and certain programs you can even give it to your team, who are estheticians or cosmetologists or nurses, so that it's not dependent on you completely. And the menu is completely illustrated through images in a very simple way that it's very user-friendly. For each treatment, the standard parameters and the indication of the cartridge is suggested according to the treatment to be carried out or present. This is the handpiece, which is specially made of argyle aluminum. It's an alloy, and with the same handpiece, it is possible to carry out aesthetic medical treatments such as nanopeel, micro-pricking, needling, as well as corrective pigmentation issues. It can be combined around needling or pricking and cannot mean the needles but around them. The RF is not emitting through the needle. It is alongside, so you can attach and detach. The depth of the needle is set directly on the handpiece. The precision and safety of the needle depth calibration is ensured by a PDPS patent, which allows it to be used in the cancer setup also. So a single handpiece for each type of cartridge. There's a nano peel where there are 130 rounded tips and depth is from 0.75 to 1 mm. There is needling where depth is up to 2.5 mm for medical needling with bleeding. Then there is micro pricking, especially when you're delivering exosomes where you don't need the bleeding points. This is where it is useful. The depth is from 0.51 mm to 3 mm. Then of course there is RF needling, which is depth is up to 2.5 mm. There are 3 treatment modalities which can be used in the same session: needling RF, RF only, and needling only. So we can do 3 things with this cartridge. When there is contact bipolar RF needling, which is a sterile and disposable cartridge that contains inside of the needles and around the surface of the eye. The possibility to customize the protocols according to the different skin problems, combining RF and needling. As I said, only needling, only RF and micro needling both. This synergy is very easy to use, international no-flow patent, and an anti-black flow of the cartridge. The synergy which is between the contact of bipolar RF and needling and micro-pricking. The rationale is the needling that we are going to create damage to the tissue to obtain the repair effect that leads sequentially to the generation of growth factors. And that stimulates the production of collagen and elastin in the papillary layer of the dermis. Thanks to the RF Need system, making the energy penetrate through contact with the epidermis, it provides a booster to the needling treatment, thus obtaining a better toning and firming of the tissue. So RF Need, unlike other RF needle technologies, does not compromise the structure of the subcutaneous fat, which is very important. When we use other MNRF systems, a lot of patients come back and say that the fat is gone. So with this system, it's possible to treat without causing damage to the adipose tissue, which is subcutaneous fat. But depending on the intensity set, reaching the dermis stimulates and compacts the adipose tissue, and in a synergistic way, all 3 different types of collagen. The patient sensation you can even do without the numbing cream, and it causes a pleasant feeling of warmth during the RF Need system. These are certain results to share with you. It can be done on the body, on the chest area, and even on the areola correction with surgical scars. See, this is what I was discussing. It can correct the lip filler in those cases wherein some pigmentation traits are missing to complete a filler. Modeling the contour of the lips is an important part of enhancing the result. Even trichopigmentation is an innovative technique that allows you to regain the natural effect of shave hair through the introduction of specific pigments of the scalp. The specific pigments used in scalp trichopigmentation treatments are biocompatible hypoallergenic, bioresorbable, and do not create any side effects or color changes over time. Remedying the receding hairline, thinning fine hair, and covering the scars of the scalp is achieved through a shaved effect, a density effect in case of thinning hair, and thickening effect. This is some of the results to share with you people. And there are certain strokes which you must follow when you're doing the face treatment. You can go from side to the front area. You can go in a circular manner. You can go from side area. You can do zigzag. You can follow the pattern. This is how the handpiece looks like. There is no bleeding points to be achieved when you're using a nano peel. With micro pricking, you can actually infuse even a peel or exosomes or PDRN or PN. And you can reach the dermis when you need any such indications where bleeding points are required. For example, anti-aging, wrinkles, hypertrophic scars, atrophic scars, keloid, stretch marks, telangiectasia, rosacea, androgenetic alopecia, excessive hair loss, telogen effluvium, and the list is long. Use of exosomes. From last couple of years, we are suddenly seeing this exosomes coming all over. What they do, they're an extracellular vesicle which generated by any cell which produce secretions. We're using them, for regenerating, and what they do is they communicate between two cells. So you can actually, remodel the collagen or the tissue in a better manner. But why do we need to use exosomes with this device? All skin types, all aesthetic conditions, all colors, and all ethnicities can use this product. It helps in rejuvenation, right eye reduction, anti-aging, hyperpigmentation, sun damage, photoaging, all sorts of scars, whether they're acne scars or hypertrophic scars, even acne, even sensitized, volatile, and reactive, and it's very safe for periorbital area as well. Patients who are looking for exosomes are the ones who've done PRP. They're looking for something else. They do not want their blood drawn. They do not want a microcannular liposuction. They desire a holistic regenerative approach. They seek combination therapies with surgeries. They demand ethically sourced regenerative solutions, and they insist on evidence base. That's how we can also use this Bio Repeal, which is a no downtime TCA 35%, which we've used in on Indian skin, where we're always worried about the PIH. But we combined it with this system, and we saw great results. This is one of my own patients I'm sharing. In single session, the results were really phenomenal. She was very happy. This is a short video to share how we did the treatment without the numbing cream. It was fast, quick for people who are on the run and who don't want too much of a downtime. The downtime was hardly for 2 hours, and she could resume her work. As you can see, we are putting exosomes. Of course, we don't inject. We're infusing it with the microneedling system. You can even use a nano peel cartridge where you don't want any bleeding points. You can only do RF first, then do this, and again, both combination. This is how a skin looked like before the procedure. These are certain other patients to share, the one with acne and acne scars, how just in 2 sessions we could see the results. Thank you so much for patient hearing, and I'm open to any sorts of questions that you have. Thank you.